DJI might be about to shake up the drone world again, and this time it's not just another camera upgrade or flight time boost. According to a growing number of leaks, certifications, and early listings, DJI is working on something completely new called the DJI Avata360. And honestly, it can be one of the most exciting drones we've seen in a long time. So what exactly is the Avata360? From what the leaks suggest, this drone blends DJI's Avata FPV platform with a full 360-degree camera system. In simple terms, it looks like a crash-resistant FPV drone that can capture everything around it all at once. DJI has dominated cinematic drones and FPV separately for years, but a true 360 drone? That's new territory for them, and it's clearly aimed at competing with Insta360's drone ambitions. Let's talk about the design. Leaked images show a familiar Avata-style body with ducted propellers, compact dimensions, and a sturdy build designed for close proximity flying. The major difference is the camera setup. Instead of a single forward-facing camera, leaks point to dual ultra-wide lenses capable of capturing full spherical footage. Some rumors even suggest the camera system can switch between standard FPV mode and full 360 capture, which would be a massive creative advantage. Now onto the camera specs, because this is where things get really interesting. Several leak sources claim the Avata360 could shoot up to 8K 360-degree video, possibly using dual 1x1.1-inch sensors. If that ends up being true, this drone wouldn't just be about fun FPV flights, it would be a serious tool for content creators. The idea of flying first and choosing your angle later is incredibly powerful, especially for YouTubers, filmmakers, and social media creators. On the flight side, leaks suggest DJI isn't holding back. We're likely looking at OcuSync or O4 transmission, giving the drone long-range and low-latency FPV performance. Compatibility with DJI goggles and FPV controllers is also expected, which means existing DJI FPV pilots wouldn't need to learn everything from scratch. There are even whispers about improved obstacle awareness or LiDAR-assisted sensing, which would be a first for the Avata line. Battery life is another big question mark. Leaks hint at slightly better flight time than the original Avata, despite the added weight of the 360 camera system. Realistically, don't expect record-breaking endurance, but even a small improvement would be impressive for a drone focused on speed, agility, and immersive footage. Now let's talk about price, because this is where things get messy. Early retailer listings showed some pretty high numbers, which immediately raised eyebrows. However, leaks from China suggest a more reasonable price depending on the bundle. Most people agree that those early listings probably aren't final, and until DJI announces official pricing, it's best not to panic just yet. One very important warning: be careful with pre-orders. If DJI hasn't announced the product, any pre-order you see right now is likely unofficial. That means no warranty, unclear delivery timelines, and zero support if something goes wrong. Waiting for the official launch is almost always the smarter move. So what does all of this mean in the big picture? If the leaks are accurate, the DJI Avata360 could be the first drone that truly merges FPV flying with 360-degree storytelling. No worrying about framing mid-flight, no missed angles, just fly, create, and decide later. Until DJI makes it official, everything can still change, but one thing is clear: DJI is planning something big, and the Avata360 could redefine how we capture drone footage in 2026.